Sisi hadien bau nongelam kaliang persya umukul sangma ulapen sngow yakinia kijong umutirang ba kajalau konra sangma ulong ka jingkhot hajir ki nongelam ka sengkiang Atiar New Trap National Liberation Council hakaken hun tokit NIA jong Ministry of Home Affairs kamdon jingkta ya ka jingkhot ya ïasuk kabarang ya chakmat menta.
That is a very different process. Those investigations are at a different level. That has not direct connection with the talks that we are having, and in order to be able to ensure that complications like these don't come up, that is precisely the purpose of the official talks. So wherever these discussions need to be brought in, of course talking to Home Ministry and to the different agencies, we will see and we will try to find out how to move forward in this. But as I said, these are different cases. These are cases which are being investigated at a different level and for different reasons, which has nothing to do with the peace talks. But yes, I understand that the members involved are there who are being called. But as I said, these discussions, the peace talks are meant to figure out a way so that these kind of complications can be resolved. But it will not affect the peace talks.
But the leader opposition has asked question whether the state government has intimated the center on this peace talks, whether they have involved the center.
See, the thing is that the previous government did not take steps in this line to actually move forward with the peace talks, and this could have been done in the past also. But nonetheless, this government has now moved ahead, and obviously these talks cannot take place without the deep discussion with the central government. And I have mentioned it many times before that in 3 to 4 occasions I have had discussions with Home Minister. In multiple occasions, maybe even more than 8-9 times, I have had discussion with the Home Secretary, and obviously very senior officials of the Home Department are regularly in touch and are coordinating the entire process. So yes, the central government is very much aware.